Hello Steelers, it's Gina from Canon Creative Girl, and I just wanted to pop on real fast because I am so excited about today's steal. Today's steal has been one of my most treasured steals that I've got so far from Decor Steals, and it's just amazing. So this awesome laundry cart here is going fast, so you want to swoop in and get one if you're on the fence thinking about it. I've had it in my family for years. We use it all the time. And check out the detail on it. I love the wording. Whites, wash, dry, fold, repeat. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see the details. It has elastic straps. I'll get a little closer so I could show those to you. Let me zoom out a little bit here. So these straps are really fun because you could take the bag off. And I just take it off and I pop it in the washer from time to time with as much laundry as we do in our house. It has wheels on it that are really fun, and I just love the look. It's got this big accordion style to it, and it folds out. I'm going to show you how far it folds out. This thing is massive. It can hold so much stuff. I put blankets in there, pillows in there, everything. Throw it all in the wash. I've got to show you the detail on the other side. Look at how fun that is. One side says whites and the other one says darks. Yeah, so if you're on the fence and thinking about getting today's steal, I would run over to the website right now. There's only a few left. You're gonna love this thing. Okay, thanks.